Hi, I'm Roy, and today I'm going to tell you the difference between when and if. Firstly, you can use when or if with the present simple when it is a fact or a repeated action. If or when you put water in the freezer, it becomes ice. We use if for unknown or possible situations. If it rains today, I'll take my umbrella. We use when to say we are certain something's going to happen in the future. When I go home, I'll watch a film. Compare these two sentences. If I eat breakfast today, I'll have toast. I might not eat breakfast. When I eat breakfast today, I'll have toast. I will eat breakfast. Anyway, that's everything for today. I've got to go because I'm hungry. If I don't eat breakfast, I get grumpy. Bye!